Product Review Number 1. Best Solar, Smart Pool. S601 Pool Solar Heaters. The Hayward W3H150FDN Universal H Series can keep your pool usable even when it feels like an icebox outside. We chose this pool heater as our top pick because it works quickly and lasts for the long haul. The W3H150FDN model works solely with natural gas. Gas tends to be the most convenient option since many homes already have a natural gas line. In contrast to solar models, this 150,000 BTUs, British thermal units, heater can warm your 400 square foot pool in record time, so you won't have to wait too long to enjoy your outdoor spa. Though gas heaters are generally less energy efficient, the manufacturer reports that this model's quick pump operation can reduce energy costs by 18%. As for lifespan, this heater outshines the competition with its HeatPro nickel heat exchanger. This system effectively protects against corrosion and water chemistry imbalances that can cause premature system failures. HeatPro nickel is also known to be durable and more long-lasting compared to copper. Power source: natural gas, BTU output, 150,000 BTUs, pool type, in-ground, pool size, 400 square feet. Product Review Number 2. Best Electric, Ecosmart US Smart Pool Tankless Pool Heater. If you lack an existing natural gas line and don't want the hassle of monitoring propane tank levels, an electric pool heater is another option to consider. The Ecosmart Pool 27 is a tankless pool heater that saves space while raising pool temperatures by 1 to 1.5 degrees Fahrenheit every hour. A digital thermostat control gives you the ability to adjust the target temperature quickly and precisely. Size for pools up to 15,000 gallons. The Ecosmart Pool 27 uses a flow sensor to prevent element burnout. This is a 240 volts unit and it requires 340 amp breakers for installation, so keep that in mind when determining whether or not you have the space required on the circuit board. While you won't spend any money on gas or propane when using this electric pool heater, you can expect that it will cause an uptick in your energy usage. A big advantage of the Ecosmart Pool 27, though, is its price point. At less than $1,000, it's significantly more affordable than many gas pool heaters on the market. Power source: electricity, BTU output, not applicable, pool type, in-ground or above ground, pool size, up to 15,000 gallons. Product Review Number 3. Best Heat Pump, Hayward HeatPro. A heat pump is an alternative type of pool heater that uses ambient air to heat pool water. In warm climates, a heat pump is often more economical to operate than a gas pool heater or a conventional electric pool heater. The Hayward W3HP21004T is a popular choice that delivers up to 140,000 BTUs and can meet the needs of heating an average to large swimming pool. Hayward designed the HeatPro series of pool heat pumps to be durable and quiet, especially in comparison with some gas pool heaters. For example, the stainless steel fan blade is profiled to improve airflow efficiency while also reducing the noise factor during operation. An acoustic compressor cover also helps to dampen noise produced by this pool heater. Since this type of pool heater is especially popular in warmer climates that often come with increased humidity, a corrosion-resistant evaporator fin and titanium heat exchanger helps to extend the service life of this pool heater. Power source: electric, BTU output, 140,000, pool type, in-ground or above ground, pool size, varies. Product Review Number 4. Best Gas, Raypak PR266 Inc. 5266,000 BTUs natural gas heater. This pool heater is fueled by gas, which is a convenient fuel source for many homeowners with an existing natural gas line. A copper fin tube heat exchanger is typical for many gas pool heaters. However, Raypak adds an additional layer of protection against corrosion of this important component by adding a special component to the header, known as a Protect Shield. This module is intended to absorb corrosive materials before they reach the heat exchanger. As a result, it's intended to break down over time, but is easy to replace, and protects the heating element inside. In addition, this model is equipped with an electronic ignition that only fires when heat is needed. In comparison to a millivolt pool heater, which requires a pilot light to be lit at all times and burns fuel continually, the electronic ignition is more efficient and economical in terms of fuel consumption. However, this gas pool heater will need a nearby 120 volts or 240 volts power source. Power source: natural gas, BTU output, 266,000, Pool type, in-ground, pool size, 25,000 gallons. Product review number 5. Best heater and chiller combo, AquaCal SQ120 or HeatWave Super Quiet Pool Heat Pump. If you're interested in extending your swimming season as long as possible, invest in a pool heater and chiller combo. This 2-in-1 pool heater from AquaCal is essentially a heat pump that uses warm air to raise pool temperatures, but it also has a module that uses refrigerant for cooling pool water. It can be used with both in-ground and above-ground pools, but the manufacturer recommends that you choose a grid flow switch instead of a water pressure switch for above-ground pool installation. The AquaCal SQ120 stands out as a heater and chiller combo for pools with smart features, like the ability to control the unit with the Pool Sync app. Switch between heating and cooling modes or set the unit to keep your pool at a constant temperature with the Auto Temp mode. You will need to buy a separate Pool Sync Wi-Fi controller if you want to take advantage of this feature. Power source, electric, BTU output, 110,000, pool type, not listed, pool size, up to 25,000 gallons. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product.